Hi everyone, it's Amy and I'm here to share some of my fun, whimsical Halloween dolls with you. But I thought I'd start out by what inspired me to share these dolls, and this free printable I put up on amybarrickman.com got me thinking about all my cute pumpkin jack-o'-lantern dolls. And so the first one, so I wanted to share that printable and let you know you can print it off. It prints this size, and you can find that at amybarrickman.com. So I hope you're all having a jolly Halloween. And speaking of jolly, here's our first little jolly pumpkin man. And what I love about this particular doll is not only his sweet face, as well as his fun and funky legs. Here you can see he has mother of pearl button eyes, and note the style of the button on this particular doll. He has cute yarn hair and just a sweet stitched smile too. And then I remembered that not only that he had a matching friend, we'll call him a little twin, they're not identical, but this is a gourd, we'll call him the gourd guy, and he, again, has some unique mother of pearl button eyes, and you can see that how those actually have like an eye shaped engravement that really makes it an interesting for when you're making dolls to use these mother of pearl buttons. He has cute clothes, and I actually realized the type of gourd that he is designed after is called a swan gourd. If you've ever seen one of those, I saw it down at the city market last weekend for sale. They're the green, the two-tone green gourds with the long necks that hence have the swan name. Next up, we have my favorite new addition to my pumpkin and folk art Halloween collection, and this was made by Chandler Vaughn. She did this darling little pumpkin boy, and we thought an acorn hat would be perfect for him. And you can see she made these cute overalls. He's actually jointed, and his arms and legs move, and his overalls have, what do you know, mother of pearl buttons for his little suspenders. So there he is. And speaking of another, we're going to show you another technique here. This is one of a little actually pin, a wearable that I bought, I believe maybe one year at the Quilt Festival in Houston. And this is a needle punch. You can see his needle punched face. You can see the back, how it's just a felt base that has been needle punched with that cute little face, and then the crow in the arms of our sweet little lady, pumpkin lady, we'll call her since she has a skirt on. Next up is, we can't forget cats, because actually I'm filming this on National Cat Day, and black cats and Halloween go hand in hand. So this is a cute little cat that is actually an upcycled sock. So if you have some black socks that don't have matches, don't throw them away, save them, and we will teach you in the coming months how to make this fun cat. And I wanted to point out too, he has mother of pearl button eyes. We'll call this black cat Woody. Woody was our former cat in our family prior to our Chloe, who's our cat now. But these mother of pearls are actually plastic, so they're not true mother of pearl buttons. They're actually a plastic copy mimicking the original mother of pearl. But look at this cute tail, and then the stitching for the face and the mouth, and the cute little like covered button nose. So that's Woody, our little friend. And last but not least, I'm going to share one of my favorite folk art pieces that's not fabric, but he's carved out of wood. And I don't know that we've ever given him a name, but he sure has a lot of character. You can see he even has what we noticed was maybe a belly button to go along with his missing tooth. And I looked on the bottom and saw that he was created in 93, and I'm not sure who this folk artist was, but I imagine I bought him maybe at a folk art show, maybe Valley Forge. That's one place in the country that has some wonderful folk art shows. So there you go. That's a few of my Halloween whimsies to share with you. Hope you enjoyed it. And again, if you want to find that pumpkin man image, there he is. Oh, and he's with a black cat with green eyes, just like Chloe's green eyes. Wishing you all a jolly Halloween. Thanks for watching.